Welcome to the narrowboat that James built. I hope you're all very well. Well, it is about 11 o'clock in the morning and the insulation men, there's two of them, are on the boat. I worked pretty much all the way through the night and unfortunately didn't get it all finished. The batonning underneath the gunnels just created loads of problems. I couldn't get through the metal, so I'll show you that another time. And so, but they're going to insulate it, and I'll obviously be able to cut some of that back and then put some battens in. But all the battening above the gunnels has all been finished, so all the walls and all the ceilings have been done, so and the bulkheads. So on one hand, I'm delighted that that's all been done and they can insulate it all properly, and they're doing that now. On the other hand, it'd have been nice to have got it all done, but there was just no chance. Certainly as that stuff wasn't going in very easily, and I was going through drill bits like there's no tomorrow. So I'm sitting in the warmth of a car whilst they are doing the work on the boat. They'll be there for about 2 or 3 hours. I've taken a few videos, only some small ones, so I'll show you them now. And I will edit the main bits of doing the cabin up, and the roofing and also the ceiling lining and everything like that. So I'll show you that probably later on today or tomorrow morning. But that's it, that's the update. So I'll show you a little bit later as well what it's like with the insulation, but there's a couple of videos now about them putting it on. Hope you're well, take care, bye.